Ooh. This winter, I decided to spend the entire break building another eVTOL, except this time it intends to fly. The process began in October 2023, and this is how it went. Enough, I got a lot of this thing done. I mean, just look at this. Look at that. It's getting together. I'm so happy. Instead of having one giant tube, we just happy to meet these two, Cameron and Chandler, right here in Moffitt. So yeah, I mean, they make this awesome business that connects student organization and companies with machine shops nearby. Yeah, the aluminum joint. But however, this wood is about 130 centimeters.
There's a type of demand and the various different networks that several people here are actually working on in order to make sure.
Here we're just waiting for her shell. There is another additional part of carbon fiber tubes. Alright, and so the manufacturing process has begun. It's Monday, and Jesus, woo! This moment of truth. Look at that. I literally just live here at this point. This is my 4th time coming to Jacobs. And Cindy decided to join my project, finally. Sheesh, it moves. Let's hope it still moves after we manufacture. Hinge works. Like, whoop. This sounds very sus because the tolerance is bad. Dude, I just feel like I live here now. Today's my 5th time at Jacobs Hall. Finally got this print off the bed. I was hitting it with a hammer for like 10 minutes. The whole project in general, because now here is the design. The back looks a little bit dumpy, but the front, it looks so good. This thing is so fast. It's crazy. Oh my gosh. Got excused to buy the most expensive flight controller. It's literally like an Android phone on there. And then starting here, F, G, focus, and H. So our want to see the mystery colors. It broke the extruder cover and it broke one of the support pieces. Okay, the moment of truth. That's quite hot. We already have the full piece that's fully functional. It worked! It worked! It worked! It finally came back with me with the full final version of the CAD. And here it is. You can see this. Finally sent it to me. I think it looks really pretty in a way. I'm really excited. Final part to my assembly, and then I will make a render of it, and we'll see the final result by the end of today. Okay, so we got all of our stuff back, all thanks to my dad carrying it all the way from China. The amount of package. It's actually huge. The following day, my team and I attend CES 2024, where we learn about the industry with flying cars, eVTOLs, and fancy technologies. We were really fortunate to have a dinner with two VPs from XPeng Aero HT, the largest eVTOL firm in Asia. As for my own eVTOL, there is still some problem with the structural integrity, which requires some redesign. And my plan is to spend the next 2 months bringing modification to the design and then manufacturing more parts. Hopefully by spring break we'll be able to reassemble it, and during the summer break we'll take it into the air. So stay tuned and subscribe for part 2, and hopefully by the beginning of June we'll get this thing off the ground.